Master your projects and conquer your to-do list with Asana, your ultimate guide to streamlined productivity. Let's dive into Asana's intuitive interface. Upon logging in, you'll see your personalized dashboard here. You can navigate between different project views, list for a straightforward to-do, board for a Kanban-style workflow, and calendar for deadline visibility. Creating a task is the foundation of any project. Click the plus button and select task. Give your task a clear, actionable name, assign it to yourself or a team member, set a due date, and add a detailed description to ensure everyone understands the scope. You can also add subtasks to break down larger objectives. Collaboration is key. Once assigned, team members can comment directly on tasks, ask questions, and provide updates. Attach relevant files, documents, or links to keep all project information in one central place, fostering seamless teamwork. Organizing your work into projects is essential. Click Projects on the left sidebar and select Create Project. You can choose from powerful pre-built templates designed for various workflows, or start with a blank project and customize it to your exact needs. Within your project, you can add all related tasks, categorizing them with sections or custom fields for advanced organization. Easily drag and drop tasks between stages in the board view to visualize progress and identify bottlenecks. Asana's workflow automation can save you valuable time. Set up rules to automate repetitive actions, such as assigning a task when it's moved to a specific section, or notifying stakeholders when a milestone is reached. This allows you to focus on what truly matters: executing your project. With Asana, you gain unparalleled visibility into your project's, track progress, manage deadlines, and ensure your team stays aligned, all from one powerful platform. Start organizing your projects effectively today.